Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Ace. Today I'll discuss the next practical exam for BBA first semester under ACP Bangalore North University, Fundamental of Accounting. So syllabus, introduction to the syllabus is totally 5 subject is there. Unit 1 Introduction to Accounting, Unit 2 Accounting Process, Unit 3 Subsidiary Book and Bank Reconciliation Statement, Unit 4 Accounting for Depreciation, Unit 5 Final Accounts of Sole Proprietary Concern. As in my first video I have already discussed regarding the how much the total marks you people going to write it, that is 80 marks, and 20 marks it will be for your internal based on your assessment test and extracurricular activity. The total will be 100 marks and there will be the 20 marks internal, and total duration for you people is 3 hours. You have to write the examination. So now I'll discuss the next blueprint according to the syllabus. So as you people know, they will be the consist of 4 section, that is section A, section B, section C and section D. And according to the unit wise, unit 1, yes, from unit 1 section A for 2 marks 2 question you will get it, and for section B 6 marks 1 question, and for 10 marks section D you are going to get it 1 question. So there will be no 14 marks question from unit 1. Then next section 2, section D 1 marks for 10 marks. Unit 2 2 marks you will get 1 question, and 6 marks 1 question, and 14 marks 2 question, and for 10 marks there will be no question from this unit. Then unit 3 2 question for 2 marks, that is section A, 1 question for 6 marks section B, 1 question for 14 marks section C, and 1 question for section D for 10 marks. Unit 4 2 marks 1 question, 6 marks 1 question, 14 marks 1, and there will be no 10 marks question will be asked from this unit. Then unit 5 1 question for 2 marks, 1 question for 6 marks, 1 question for 14 marks, and there will be no question asked from this unit. And total number of questions will be 7. Out of that you have to answer 5. And section B 5 question it will be given, out of that 3 you have to answer. And for section C 5 question will be given, and out of that you have to answer 3. And for 10 marks 2 question will be given, and 1 question you have to answer. Now we're going to discuss based on the unit wise how many and what question they're going to ask according to section wise, the sections, that is section A, B, C and D. From the first unit, that is introduction to accounting, for 2 marks, as already have been discussed in the blueprint from the above image, that is 2 questions you are going to be asked, that is 2 conceptual question related to the unit to be asked. And for section B, that is for 6 marks 1 question. So out of that they have given 7 question, out of that 1 question you are going to get it, that is objective of accounting, functions of accounting, stakeholder using accounting information, limitation of accounting, accounting concept, accounting conventions, objective of accounting standard. And 14 marks they are not going to come from this unit. And next for 10 marks 1 question. So they have given 4 question, out of it any 1 question you are going to get it, that is what are the accounting concept, explain any 4 accounting concept with suitable example, list out any 10 accounting standard, identify various stakeholder using accounting information and the information need, identify the accounting concept in the following cases and justify with a reason. 5 cases to be asked. Next was unit 2 accounting process, for 2 marks 1 question, as is there the meaning, definition, any conceptual related question it will be asked from this unit. And for section B Section 6 marks, one question it will be asked. So which are those questions? Classification of accounts into personal year nominal account, 6 attempt to be asked. Classification of accounts into assets, liability, capital, income and expenses account, 6 attempt to be asked. And third question, preparation of personal ledger account for the given transaction, maximum of 6 transaction. That 3 question out of that one you're going to get it for 6 marks. Next, for 14 marks, section C, 2 question it will going to be asked. Journal entry question to be include 14 transaction only out based on compound entry. One compound entry it will be asked out of 14 transaction. And second question, preparation of trial balance, maximum of 14 ledger balances to be given, and there will be no section D question will be asked from this chapter. And the 10 marks, there will be no question will be asked from this unit. Then unit 3, subsidiary books and bank reconciliation system. So 2 marks, it is a conceptual question will be asked from this unit. And for section B, 6 marks, 1 question. Out of that they have given 5 question. Out of that 1 question it will be going to be asked. Explain the types of subsidiary books, explain the different types of cash book, explain the reason for difference in balance as per the passbook and cash book. 4 problems on simple cash book, maximum of 6 transaction. Problems on petty cash book, maximum of 6 transaction. And for section C, for 14 marks, 1 question. So 2 questions they have given. Out of that one it will going to come. Problems on bank reconciliation statement, maximum of 14 transaction. Question number 2, problems on 3 column cash book, maximum of 14 transaction. Next, for section D, 10 marks, 1 question. So they have given 2. Out of that 1 it will going to come. Problems on 3 column cash book, maximum of 10 transaction. Second, problems on bank reconciliation statement, maximum of 10 transaction. So they gave given the note, if bank reconciliation system is asked for 14 marks, then the total should be asked for 10 marks, as vice versa. Based on the number total marks you have to answer how much they ask, whether they ask for the 14 marks or 10 marks. Based on the marks you have to answer the question. Next, unit 4, accounting for depreciation. So 2 marks conceptual related to this unit they will going to be asked. And section B, 6 marks, 1 question. Problems on calculation of depreciation, any one method they'll ask based on the types of depreciation. Next, 14 marks, section C, 1 question. Problems on calculation of depreciation, any 2 method. Problems on preparation of ledger account should not be asked, as it is not in this syllabus. Only depreciation account will ask. And section D, 10 marks, will not going to ask any question from this section. Next, section 5, final account of sole proprietary concern, 2 marks. Section A, conceptual question related to this unit they will ask. Then for section B, 6 marks, 1 question they'll ask. Out of they have given 2. Out of that 1 it will going to come for your exam. Problems on preparation of statement of profit and loss account, it is based on vertical format, not horizontal. So you have to be careful guys which format it will be there, because as per your syllabus it is vertical format. That format only you have to follow. Maximum of 8 items to be asked. Problem to find out gross profit or net profit may also be asked, but the question should categorically specify vertical format only. Section 2, problems on preparation of balance sheet, again balance sheet also vertical format, maximum of 8 items to be asked. Next, for section D, 14 marks, 1 question. Problems on preparation of final account, trial balance comprising of maximum of 12 ledger balances and 4 adjustments specified as per the syllabus to be asked. And they will not going to ask any question for 10 marks from this unit. Thank you. Please do subscribe and subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you and all the best.